Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of example and related exercise 4.3. Okay. So now I'm moving to example 4.10. What is the question? Find the value of tan inverse of minus 1 plus cos inverse of positive 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Okay. So one by one solution. First term consider for x means x is equal to tan inverse of minus 1. So tan inverse bring out opposite side means tan x is equal to minus 1. So according to the unit circle, tan wherever the negative actually the quadrant, what are the quadrant, negative quadrant in tan? So simply we can say all silver teacup. So second and fourth quadrant will be negative according to the range in tan, negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2, isn't it? So simply we can say when you have, we will get the result. What is the result for 1? Actually pi by 4, isn't it? So definitely we can say x is equal to pi by 4, but according to the circle tan will be fourth quadrant means cos only positive. So cos only positive means definitely we can write it negative pi by 4. X we have considered for what is the name? Tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to negative pi by 4. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Moving to second condition, second term cos inverse of positive 1 by 2. So y is equal to cos inverse of positive 1 by 2. Again cos inverse bring out opposite side means cos y is equal to positive 1 by 2. So simply we can say value will be positive. Value will be positive means definitely cos 0 to pi, isn't it? So 0 to pi means according to the unit circle, the finger you can check it, the truth table. What is your truth table? Cos means you have to check it little side. So 1 by 2 means simply we can say this is pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. So this is called thumb finger, indicate middle ring, we have to fold. Ring means definitely we can say pi by 6, pi by 4 and pi by 3. Therefore value will be y is equal to pi by 3. It belongs to 0 to pi. 180 divided by 3 means 60 degree will come. So it lies on 0 to 180. Okay. So second condition also over. Moving to next one. Third one. Otherwise y we have considered what is the name? Cos inverse of positive 1 by 2, isn't it? Cos inverse of positive 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 3. Third one. Z means sin inverse of negative 1 by 2. Sin inverse bring out opposite side means sin z is equal to negative 1 by 2. So according to the unit circle, sin what are the negative? So actually all silver teacup, third and fourth. Actual sin means negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Simply we can say actually it according to the cyclic form it lies on the fourth one. Fourth one cos only positive, but we have sin. So therefore first you have to check it what is the value for 1 by 2. Sin means we have to check it thumb side. Thumb side means simply we can say you have to fold the indicate finger. Indicate finger means this is radians pi by 6, isn't it? Therefore z is equal to pi by 6. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2, but we have cos means we have write it minus pi by 6. Okay. So each and every term plus, isn't it? X what is the value? X negative pi by 4 plus y what is the value? Pi by 3, then z minus pi by 6. So common denominator 12 means 12 divided by 4 means 3 times. 3 into pi means negative 3 pi plus 12 divided by 3 means 4 times. 4 into pi means 4 pi. Next minus 12 divided by 6 means 2 times. So we can write it 2 pi equal to negative 3 pi, negative 2 pi means negative 5 pi plus 4 pi by 12, isn't it? Therefore answer will be negative pi plus 4 pi means negative pi by 6. This is answer for example 4.10. Sorry my dear, this is negative pi by 12. Okay. So this is answer for example 4.10. Okay, I will continue one of the important question next example 4.11. Example 4.11, prove that, okay, tan sin inverse x is equal to x by square root of 1 minus x square. In between, this is also one of the important condition. Minus 1 to 1 means minus 1 to 0 and 0 to positive 1. So, we have 3 condition. So, one by one. First is solution. What is the given condition? Tan sine inverse x is equal to x by square root of 1 minus x square. Important condition, minus 1 less than x less than positive 1. So, first one, take x is equal to 0. Why? The minus 1 to 0 also one condition is this. So, 0. That is why the first statement I have considered for take x is equal to 0. In LHS, instead of x we have to take 0. So, LHS means tan of sine inverse 0 is equal to tan sine inverse 0 means 0. Again tan 0 means 0. RHS, what is RHS term? X by square root of 1 minus x square, 0 divided by anything. That means 1 minus 0 means 1 will come. So, 0 divided by anything means value will be 0, isn't it? So, look, check it there, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the first condition, the first statement, LHS is equal to RHS when x is equal to 0. Second statement, second one, let us assume so 0 is over, then 0 to positive 1, 0 less than x less than positive 1. What will happen? So, let us assume now theta is equal to, this is considered for theta, means theta is equal to sine inverse x, means sine bring out opposite sign means sine theta is equal to, so sine theta is equal to x means sine 0 means value will be 0, less than theta less than sine 1 means value will be positive pi by 2. Therefore, sine theta is equal to x means we can write now x divided by 1 according to the OSA Shota. What is the meaning? Sin theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse, cos theta means adjacent divided by hypotenuse, tan theta means opposite divided by adjacent. So, if you make it one right angle triangle means what will happen? This is right angle triangle, this is theta means opposite side, sin theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. So, it's equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse means opposite value will be x, adjacent hypotenuse value will be 1. Therefore, adjacent other one side square root of, we can write it 1 minus x square. Therefore, we need actually tan theta, isn't it? So, therefore, tan theta means opposite divided by adjacent. Therefore, tan theta is equal to opposite value x by adjacent value square root of 1 minus x square. Already we know what is the value of theta, sine inverse of x. Therefore, tan of sine inverse of x is equal to x by square root of 1 minus x square. So, this is considered for equation number 2. Okay. From equation number 2, tan of sine inverse of x is equal to x by square root of 1 minus x square. Moving to next one, third one. Third one also let us assume. So, 0 to positive 1 is over. I am moving to negative 1 to 0. So, let us assume negative 1 less than 0. So, negative 1 less than x less than 0. The same condition, theta is equal to sine inverse x means sine bring out opposite sign means sine theta is equal to x. So, sine theta is equal to x means minus 1 means sine of minus 1 means minus pi by 2 less than x, sine 0 means value will be 0. Therefore, according to the OSA Chota, sine theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Theta, opposite value x, hypotenuse value 1. Therefore, adjacent value square root of 1 minus x square. We need actually tan theta. Tan theta means opposite divided by adjacent. So, tan theta is equal to opposite value x by square root of adjacent value 1 minus x square. Therefore, instead of theta we can take it sine inverse of x. Tan of sine inverse x is equal to x by square root of 1 minus x square. This is considered for equation number 3. So, from 1, 2 and 3 for the final line, Therefore, the final line from 1, 2 and 3, each and every set will be equal. So, we can write it directly, hence, so proved. Okay, one of the important 5 mark. Okay, last year 2 or 3 times repeated question, very simple concept according to the Osa Chota. So, I will continue exercise question. Okay, exercise 4.3. Moving to exercise 4.3, question number 1, find the domain of the following function. Subdivision 1, solution. So, tan inverse square root of, first before moving to the question, first we have to understand what is the domain and range for tan inverse. So, tan inverse x means the domain minus infinity to positive infinity, that is called real values, as well as range negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So, condition number 1. So, square root of 9 minus x square means 0. If it example, if you have square root of any negative value means simply we can say it is not a real value, only imaginary. So, consider for 0 means 9 minus x square is equal to 0 means, so minus x square plus 9 bring out opposite side means minus 9. Again minus minus cancel means x square is equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 3. So, negative infinity to positive infinity, negative 3 to positive 3. So, negative 4 and positive 4 consider means what will happen? The condition square root of negative consider for x is equal to negative 4 means negative 4 the whole square means positive 16. Therefore, 9 minus 16 is equal to square root of negative 7. So, simply we can say it is not a real value function. So, negative 4 it is not possible means as well as positive 4 also not possible because x square is there. Okay. So, therefore, so we can consider for the correct of the domain, the first is subdivision 1 minus 3 to positive 3, we have to put in closed bracket. Why? The condition actually negative 3 considered means definitely negative 3 the whole square means positive 9. So, minus 9 minus 9 means square root of 0, okay, that is not an issue. But square root of any negative value means simply we can say it is not a real value, only imaginary. Okay, so subdivision 1 domain negative 3 to positive 3 closed bracket. Okay, subdivision 2 of tan inverse 1 minus x square. There is simply we can say without square root even x square also is there. So, simply we can say domain for 1 minus x square means minus infinity to positive infinity. Therefore, 1 minus x square the domain for is equal to real values. Okay, this is answer for subdivision 2. Okay. So, please listen my dear students, if you have any doubt please put in comment box, I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next question, be stay on the line. Question number 2 from exercise 4.3, find the value of given 2 subdivision. Okay, one by one we can discuss. Moving to subdivision 1, tan inverse of tan phi pi by 4. The basic property tan inverse of tan x is equal to x when x belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2, that is called negative 90 to positive 90 according to the unit circle. So, all silver teacup means this is considered for negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2 means, but given value, so definitely pi value 180 isn't it. So, 180 divided by 4 means 45, 5 into 45 means 225. So, we can say 225 it does not belongs to negative 90 to positive 90 because it lies on third quadrant. Okay, 0, this is pi, this is 180 means this is 270 isn't it, 3 pi by 2. So, now what I am saying, therefore, tan inverse tan pi by 4 is equal to 5 pi by 4, it does not belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So, just we have to rearrange it, tan inverse of tan pi plus pi by 4. So, tan pi plus theta means simply we can say 0 to pi, again pi plus. So, third quadrant means tan positive. Therefore, tan pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore, tan inverse, tan pi plus pi by 4 means we can write it tan pi by 4. Therefore, according to the property, tan inverse of tan x means tan inverse tan cancel means is equal to pi by 4. Now, you can say it lies on negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2 because 180 divided by 4 means 45. It lies on negative 90 to positive 90. Okay, subdivision 1 is over. Moving to subdivision 2. Question subdivision 2. Tan inverse tan of negative pi by 6, isn't it? So, negative term is there. Just we have to rearrange it first because tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Okay. So, tan inverse minus tan pi by 6. Tan inverse minus tan pi by 6 means 1 by root 3. So, consider for y means tan inverse bring out opposite side means tan y is equal to 1 by root 3 but negative sign. According to the unit circle, tan negative means second and fourth because all silver teacup. Range also negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. The condition y is equal to 1 by root 3 means radians actually pi by 6, isn't it? But negative sign y, it's starting with the negative pi by 6, it's cyclic way lies on fourth one cos only positive. We have the tan value. That's why consider for y is equal to negative pi by 6. Therefore, already we have what is the meaning of y? Y consider for tan inverse of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to minus pi by 6. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2, isn't it? That is a condition. Okay. So, the subdivision 2 is also over. I will continue the next question. Moving to question number 3 from exercise 4.3, find the value of tan inverse given 3 subdivision. Okay, this is subdivision 1. So, subdivision 1, so tan inverse of 7 pi by 4. What is the main term? Tan inverse of x is equal to x when x belongs to range actually negative infinity to positive infinity as well as this is called domain, then range negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2, isn't it? The tan function. So, now the condition tan inverse 7 pi by 4 is there. Therefore, tan inverse 7 pi by 4. What is the value? 7 into 180 divided by 4. 180 divided by 4 means 45. So, 45 into 7 means 5 7s are 35, 3, 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 is equal to 31. So, 315. Therefore, tan inverse 315 means we can write it 315. It belongs to negative infinity to positive infinity, that is real value. Then second term, what is a subdivision true? Tan inverse 1947. So, 1947 means directly we can write it because 1947 means it belongs to negative infinity to positive infinity, that is called real values. Then subdivision third also, tan inverse minus 0.20 and 21. It belongs to negative 0.2021. It belongs to negative infinity to positive infinity. That is also real number. Okay. So, subdivision question number 3 also over. I will continue one of the question from exercise 4.3. Moving to exercise 4.3, question number 4, moving to subdivision 1. What is the question number 1? Subdivision 1, tan cos inverse 1 by 2 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. This is considered for x, this is considered for y. Okay. Now, x is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. Therefore, cos bring out opposite sign means cos x is equal to positive 1 by 2. This is positive value now. So, we can write it directly. Listen very carefully. So, cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos means we have to check it little side. Little side means 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree. So, little side means definitely we have to fold ring finger. Ring finger means pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3. Therefore, so x is equal to pi by 3. X consider for cos inverse of 1 by 2. So, cos inverse of 1 by 2 means pi by 3, it belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, because there is positive. So, no need to draw the unit circle. Moving to second term. Second term, what is our second term? Y is equal to sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Again, sine bring out opposite sign means sine y is equal to negative 1 by 2. Now, we have to draw because sine will be negative. Sine is a negative. So, according to the unit circle, all silver teacup means negative third and fourth, isn't it? So, third and fourth means range actually minus pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Therefore, y is equal to sine means we have to check it thumb side. Thumb side 1 by 2 means definitely we have to fold indicate finger. Indicate finger means pi by 6 but negative. Y is equal to pi by 6 but negative. Therefore, y consider for sine inverse of negative 1 by 2 is equal to value will be negative pi by 6 belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. But main question, what is our main question? Tan of cos inverse of 1 by 2, what is the value? Pi by 3. The next one minus sign, okay, minus sign. Next one sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 means pi by 6, isn't it? So, pi by 6 means definitely already there is a common minus there. Here also we have the answer actually negative. Therefore, positive pi by 6, isn't it? Therefore, tan of common denominator 6 means 6 divided by 3 means 2. 2 into pi means 2 pi. Next condition 6 divided by 3 means only 1 time. So, 1 into pi means pi. Therefore, tan of 2 pi plus pi means 3 pi by 6. So, 3 and 6 cancel means 2 times. It's final one tan pi by 2. So, tan pi by 2 means value will be infinity. That is called not defined, isn't it? What is the answer for subdivision 1? Not defined. Okay, I will continue subdivision true. Subdivision true. Question number 4. Find the value of, what is the question? Subdivision true. Sine of tan inverse 1 by 2 minus cos inverse 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Listen very carefully. This is tan inverse. Okay, sorry dear, tan inverse. This is tan inverse 1 by 2, the maximum to minimum value possible. The second condition actually it's more than 4 by 5 is there. So, what we have to do? This is also converting for tan inverse. After converting the tan inverse A minus tan inverse B is equal to, what is the formula? Tan inverse of A minus B over 1 plus A into B. So, first we have to convert for tan inverse. How to convert? Listen now. So, cos inverse 4 by 5, isn't it? So, cos inverse 4 5 means according to the Osa Chota. What is the meaning of cos? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. This is called adjacent. This is called hypotenuse. So, according to the right angle triangle, so adjacent, this is called theta means opposite side. So, adjacent 4, hypotenuse 5 means definitely we can say opposite is called 3. Okay. So, opposite is called 3 means, so how to find out the tan inverse? Opposite divided by adjacent. Therefore, tan inverse consider for opposite value, opposite divided by adjacent. So, 3 by 4, isn't it? The first condition clear. Therefore, again I would like to rewrite the question. Sine of tan inverse 1 by 2 as it is. Next condition cos inverse of 4 by 5 means converting minus tan inverse 3 by 4, isn't it? 3 by 4. Now we can apply one formula. Listen very carefully. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y over 1 plus xy. One condition is there. Xy is greater than minus 1. So what is the x value? This is considered for x value. This is considered for y value. So x 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 means 3 by 8. So simply we can say it's greater than negative 1 because this is we have the positive value now. So now we can apply the formula tan inverse of x minus y, x value 1 by 2 minus y value 3 by 4 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Now tan inverse, common denominator 8 means 1 into 4, 4 minus 3 into 2 means 6, isn't it? So now whole term divided by 1 plus 1 into 3 means 3 divided by 8. Next step, tan inverse 4 minus 6 means minus 2 by 8. Denominator 1 into 8 means 8 plus 3 divided by 8. Therefore, 8 and 8 cancel. Now, tan inverse minus 2 by 11. The question actually sign outside is there, isn't it? So, sign of tan inverse minus 2 by 11. Now, so this is answer for tan inverse minus 2 by 11. But inside also sin inverse will come, means sin and sin inverse cancel, means we will write it according to the property of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, listen very carefully. First, just we have to modify one more step because this is tan inverse of minus. Okay, so tan inverse of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Therefore, sin of minus tan inverse 2 by 11. Next condition also sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, isn't it? So sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Therefore, minus sin of tan inverse 2 by 11. Again, we have to consider for osa chota. What is the meaning of tan? Opposite divided by adjacent. So this is called opposite, this is called adjacent. So according to the units, right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is opposite side, this is adjacent. Opposite value 2, isn't it? Adjacent value 11. Therefore, simply we can say the hypotenuse value 11 square plus 2 square means 11 square value will be 121, 2 square value will be 4. Therefore, 121 plus 4 is equal to 125. So, simply we can say 5 root 5, isn't it? Because 5 root of 25 will come. So, 25 root of 5 means, so 5 root 5 will come. Now, the final step, listen, 5 root 5 is there. So, we need actually sin inverse, isn't it? So, minus sin of, sin inverse means opposite divided by hypotenuse. So, opposite means true, hypotenuse 5 root 5. So, 2 divided by 5 root 5. Again, sin and sin inverse cancel means minus 2 by 5 root 5. Conjugate means root 5 divided by root 5. Therefore, minus 2 root 5 divided by 5 into root 5 means 5. The final answer minus 2 root 5 divided by 25. This is answer for subdivision 2. Okay, I will continue the subdivision 3rd. Moving to subdivision 3rd, exercise 4.3, question number 4. What is the question? Cos of sin inverse 4 by 5 minus tan inverse 3 by 4. So, the first term to convert for the tan inverse mean, then we can apply one of the important formula. What is the formula? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y over 1 plus xy. So, we have to rearrange it. So, sin inverse 4 by 5 according to the osa chota Sine inverse means opposite divided by hypotenuse. This is called opposite, this is called hypotenuse. So the right angle triangle, hypotenuse value will be 5. Opposite value will be 4 means adjacent we can show value will be 3. Again cos of, to convert for the tan inverse means opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite value 4, adjacent value will be 3. 4 by 3. It's not finished, isn't it? This is called 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 3 by 4. This is considered for x, this is considered for y means. So tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y over 1 plus xy. What is the condition? Xy is always greater than minus 1. What is x value? 4 by 3. What is y value? 3 by 4. It's cancel means 1 is there, is greater than minus 1. So condition is true, isn't it? So condition is true means apply it. Tan inverse of x value 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4 whole term divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4. By denominator this is into, isn't it? 4 4 cancel, 3 3 cancel means only 1 will come. This is called the plus, isn't it? Because x minus y over 1 plus. Now tan inverse, cross multiply common denominator 3 into 4 12 means cross multiply 4 4s are 16 minus 3 3s are 9. The whole term divided by 1 plus 1 means true will come. Next to tan inverse 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 by 2. Again reciprocal means true by 1. We can write it 1 by true. Therefore tan inverse 7 by 24, isn't it? But outside we have cos, isn't it? So cos of, now we found what is the value? Tan inverse 7 by 24. Inside positive is, so no need to modify any value. Just we have to inside also convert for cos inverse. Then only cos and cos inverse cancel. What is the meaning of tan? Opposite divided by adjacent. This is called opposite. This is called adjacent. Again, if you do one right angle triangle, hypotenuse value nothing, opposite value is 7, adjacent value will be true, isn't it? So 24, isn't it? Now hypotenuse value 24 square means definitely 476 plus 7 square means 576, isn't it? So 24 means 576, 7 square means 49. So we can say 576 plus 49 means square root of 625. This is perfect square of 25. We need actually cos inverse. Cos means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Therefore cos of cos inverse adjacent 24 divided by 25. Again cos and cos inverse cancel means the final term for subdivision third 24 divided by 25. This is answer. Okay. So exercise 4.3 also complete. I will continue the next example. Moving to example 4.12, find the principal value of 1 by 1. Okay. So subdivision 1 actually cosecant inverse of minus 1. So cosecant, normally cosecant inverse of x is equal to, this is actually cosecant inverse means reciprocal of sine, isn't it? So reciprocal of sine inverse of 1 by x. Instead of x value will be minus 1, isn't it? Therefore cosecant inverse of minus 1 is equal to sine inverse of 1 divided by minus 1 means we can write it sine inverse of minus 1. So consider for y means y is equal to sine inverse of minus 1 means sine inverse bring out opposite side means sine y is equal to minus 1. Therefore according to the unit circle, all silver teacup, sign negative third and fourth. So range also minus pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Therefore, y is equal to pi by 2 means value will be 1, isn't it? But negative sign, therefore we can write it negative pi by 2. Y consider for sine inverse of minus 1. Therefore, subdivision 1 answer sine inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 2. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So, okay, subdivision 1 is over. Moving to subdivision 2, secant, isn't it? Secant inverse of minus 2. Normally, secant inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 by x. Instead of x, we can apply minus 2. Therefore, secant inverse of minus 2 is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Consider for y is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 means cos inverse bring out opposite sign means cos y is equal to negative 1 by 2. So, according to the unit circle, all silver teacup means cos will be negative second and third. So, cyclic way cos means range actually 0 to pi. 0 to pi means cyclic we have to check it second quarter mean that is considered for pi minus theta. Therefore, y is equal to, what is the meaning of cos? We have to check it actually little side. Little side value also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means we have to fold middle ring finger. Ring finger means pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3. Okay. Therefore, y is equal to, this is actually value will be pi by 3, but condition pi minus theta means we can write it pi minus pi by 3. So, how to simplify pi minus pi by 3? So, pi minus pi by 3, y is equal to pi minus pi by 3. Therefore, cross multiply means 3 into pi means 3 pi minus pi by 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 pi minus pi means 2 pi by 3. It belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, this is subdivision 2 answer. Okay, so I hope you are satisfied in this session. So, please, my dear students, if you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next session. Bye bye.